This is where I first heard about Kobe Bryant and his daughter. 72 hours later, I was still in shock and disbelief. I see what movies are playing here at the Blue Water. 1917, Hollywood, Joker, Bad Boys. I'm not sure. Oh, Dr. Dolittle. Those are the movies playing at this time. It's $8 admission. Well, let's see how close we can get to seeing the water out there. So these people in this little RV here, they got this fake dog in the driver's seat. That's great. Looks like a big Rottweiler. That's cute. Well, we're here at a new location at the Avi Resort and Casino. We're having 22-mile-an-hour winds everywhere through Nevada. We're gonna go have breakfast inside because he's always cooking breakfast for us. So today I'm gonna treat so he doesn't have to do any cleanup or anything like that. We're gonna go check out the casino, and I've been here before. It's been a long time. There's a nice front beach area and I wanted him to see it. So anyways, we'll be back and hopefully these winds are going to start to die down. Looks like a ghost town out here. Boy, that water's pretty choppy. Wow, those flags are really whipping. We had a nice little lunch here.